Carrot juice and smoothie, a nutrient-packed elixir. Carrot juice and smoothie are delicious and healthy beverages that offers a concentrated dose of essential nutrients. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, carrot juice and smoothie can support various aspects of your health. From improving eye health to boosting immunity and promoting digestive health, this simple yet powerful drinks can make a significant contribution to your overall well-being. Preparation of carrot juice. Choose fresh carrots. Choose firm, bright orange carrots for maximum flavor and nutritional value. Wash thoroughly. Rinse the carrots under cold water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Prepare the juicer. Ensure your juicer is clean and ready to use. Some juicers require you to chop the carrots into smaller pieces. Juice the carrots. Feed the carrots through the juicer, collecting the juice in a glass or jar. Enjoy immediately. For optimal freshness and flavor, consume the carrot juice immediately or store it in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Carrot smoothie, a refreshing and nutritious treat. Ingredients: 2 large carrots, peeled and chopped. 1 apple, cored and chopped. 1 cup spinach or kale. Half a cup Greek yogurt. 1/4 cup orange juice. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Half a cup ice cubes. Instructions: combine ingredients. Add the carrots, apple, spinach or kale, Greek yogurt, orange juice, and honey, if desired, to a blender. Blend. Blend until smooth and creamy. Add ice. Add the ice cubes and blend again until the smoothie reaches your desired consistency. Serve. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy immediately. Benefits of carrot juice and smoothie. Rich in beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which is essential for eye health, immune function, and skin health. High in fiber. Carrot juice contains soluble fiber, which can help regulate digestion and lower cholesterol levels. Low in calories. Carrot juice is a low-calorie beverage, making it a healthy option for weight management. Antioxidant powerhouse. Carrots are packed with antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Supports heart health. The fiber and antioxidants in carrot juice can contribute to a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood flow. Tips: add variety. For a flavor boost and additional nutrients, consider adding other fruits or vegetables to your carrot juice, such as apples, ginger, or beets. Experiment with sweeteners. If you prefer a sweeter taste, you can add a splash of natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup. Make smoothie vegan. Use plant-based yogurt and a vegan sweetener like agave nectar. For a thicker consistency, add more Greek yogurt or frozen fruits. Drink in moderation. While carrot juice is healthy, it's important to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. These carrot juice and smoothie are a delicious and nutritious way to start your day or enjoy as a healthy snack. By incorporating carrot juice into your daily routine, you can enjoy the many benefits of this nutritious and delicious beverage. Thanks for watching.